I'm here trying to tune the car. Hey, welcome back to another episode of The Shift. We're out here in the BMW, aka Otis. We're gonna run some logs so I can send it to the tuner, so he can fix the AFRs because it's not really running too well. It's running kind of rich and it's just spitting a bunch of fuel out back. Yeah, let's get that started.
Internet, it's only you me. So you run a Chaos Calibrations tune. ¿Qué está haciendo ahí? Está todo en español.
Está todo en español.
Oh, está todo es raro.
Vamos a poner the latency to 1 y a aceptar. Vamos a aceptar otra vez. Put this. All right, what does this guy want? Cold start 90 plus seconds. Warm idle 90 plus seconds. Keep it short. They're communicating with ECU. That's awesome. Okay, cool.
That's fantastic.
Fantastic. We're doing great here. All right, so after re-downloading, V1.7, we are now able to do this properly. So,
look at that.
Connected, identify.
Oh, it's reading. We are reading. Levantar and little VIP. That guy is funny, bro.
Start.
What do we got here? Voltage. Oh, let's send this girl on.
Oops.
Engine load.
Sorry. Sauna.
Battery's good, RPM super low.
Dude, what the fuck? I genuinely hate.
Yeah, your intake air temp sensor is broken. I can tell right off the bat there. Because it's not negative 48 degrees Celsius out here, innit?
On both sides.
Yeah. Front and back.
Oh, no power steering.
Oh no. Was it because it was leaking or?
I don't remember it leaking.
I have power steering fluid. That's crazy. What kind of? Oh, hold up. There's more. Oh, there's more. Of course, there's more. It's just always at lambda.
Sorry, clutch, but it's not. It just doesn't let me stay it on.
Reparking the E46. Now that we know the intake air temp sensor is broken, which explains quite literally everything, even though it's on a bass tune. This bass tune would probably be nice and crispier had the intake air temp sensor been operational. Intake air temp sensor is somewhere. Okay, sit rep.
Gotcha.
Okay, where we're leaking coolant from? So what are leaking? Can I see here?
And then just to be safe, because we like to be safe.
We're leaking from.
Well, you join us rearranging
The catch can.
the catch can, but that's not our main purpose here. Our main purpose is to see. It's beautiful. I love.
How's it going?
Oh well.
This is new.
See this available?
See. Whoa, what is that?
What is this indeed? Does this connect to this?
Why is it unplugged?
Does this not connect to this? Is there something here that's supposed to be connected? What does the connector look like on the other side of the...
Okay, hold on.
Está caliente, pues. Solamente
Caliente.
acá. Oh, that's right. It's disconnected.
Oh, nice. This needs to be higher. Why don't you zip tie it to the strut bar?
You're such a smart person, bro. We're gonna do
Not
that.
that you have a strut bar.
We're gonna do that, but
Later. I mean, it's not the final version.
it's just I don't want it to, be coiled everywhere and shit.
Right. Hot engine there.
It would be like underneath this. Yeah, we barely drove to.
But it's on the other side.
So what we did was we just
And
took
we
a
do
piece
a
of
couple-
inner, like you're putting grip tape on a skateboard. So
Well, that's that. We discovered the intake air temp sensor is actually non-existent. It's not in the car. There is none.
There is none.
So maybe the tuner at Chaos can use the ambient temp sensor readings, which those are correct. You said it stopped leaking coolant. It was leaking coolant, but then it stopped. It was perspirating. Power steering needs to be changed. There's the ZHP rack.
CHP rack.
Has its cars on BC Racing coilovers, M3 front brakes, 330 rear brakes.
The engine headers has M3 brakes. Did you say that? Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
SPC control arms. Stewart water pump. E46 M3 injectors. Did you say that too?
No. M50 manifold.
M50 manifold. It will have, because I think I'm going to end up taking off the manifold. And just let's reorganize everything underneath.
Yeah.
And put an intake spacer. Spacer on the intake.
Oh.
Good, 8mm they sell.
Oh.
So considerable size.
Why does it work? For what?
Get more air, essentially. More airflow.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Cool.
All right, that was another episode of Otis.
Big old blue.